Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will be showing you how to polish an epoxy river table using a car polish machine and toothpaste. Those are the only ingredients we'll need today. It's a very cheap way to polish river tables. The car polish machine will set you back around $50 and the toothpaste only $1. The table will turn from this to this. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload new content, and make sure to give this video a thumbs up. So let's get going. So this is the car polish machine. Today we will be using the sponge pad for first polishing the table. My advice to you guys is use whitening toothpaste. Why? Because toothpaste is just like sanding paper. You can compare normal toothpaste with high grit sanding paper and whitening toothpaste with low grit sanding papers. So whitening is better for polishing. Together with the sponge pad and the toothpaste we use water. After the polishing we will buff it up with this pad, which is like cloth, and will give it that real nice shine. Okay, to start off, you can either put the toothpaste on the table or you can put it on the pad. Make sure to rub it in, because if you don't, the toothpaste will fly off when you start the machines. Let's give it a go. Make sure the table is wet. You put the toothpaste on the river. Make sure you give it a little rub in. Same story, if you don't do this, the toothpaste will just fly off the table, so that's not what you want. Okay, first part done. So one of the great things about this way of polishing your table is it will always smell nice when you're done. So we'll take off this sponge pad. Oops. Now the main thing you have to focus on while doing this part is that you don't push this pad into the epoxy river, because this will get very hot and the epoxy might burn, so that's not good. So let's just give it a try.
As you can see, the river turned out really shiny. Well, this is not the way I polish my river tables for my clients. I found out about this method when I was thinking about how to let my customers polish their river tables themselves when they got smudges or something like a little scratches in the river. And this is a great way to tell your clients that they can polish the table themselves, so you don't have to come back to polish it again. If you like this video, support my channel by subscribing. Hit the notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload new content. Hit the thumbs up if you like it. If you got any tips for me or tips for my viewers, post them in the comment section below.